Hey guys, Stefan here from Automatio. In this video, I want to show you two features that we added recently at Automatio. One is a Markdown Export feature that gives you ability to extract clean, structured content from web pages while eliminating necessary HTML clutter. This is especially valuable when working with AI and LLMs because Markdown significantly reduce token usage and processing cost. So for example, Automatio will go to this web page, extract this data from the source, and you will get something like this, basically a markdown, clean markdown content. As you can see on the right side, it's a preview. This is the markdown, and you can see that the markdowns give you this structured content, even it's extracted from unstructured page. That's very helpful for whatever you do that later on, either using for fine-tuning, LLM fine-tuning, knowledge-based automation, or any kind of data analysis. And another feature is multi-thread, where we're gonna run 5 threads at the same time in order to collect the data. So over here I prepared the list of 24 URLs where Automatio will go to and extract this markdown content. So let me show you quickly how we can do that and how does it work in action. I'm gonna activate the Automatio extension, and since I already have this list built out there, from the start action, I just gonna go change from the static to the dynamic, which means that Automatio will not go only to one URL like it's over here. It's gonna go from the list of the URLs that we already have prepared. And in this case, this is agent URLs and link. The next thing that we need to do is to add the markdown functionality. So basically I'll use the toolbox action and select the markdown functionality from here. I can also add just for a screenshot just for fun out there, so we can see how Automatio is visiting this page. And if I run this bot out there, it will start and go one by one and collect the markdown data out of the pages. But I want to change one more thing. Instead of running as a one thread or one bot at a time, I'm going to change to the 5. So basically, Automatio will split the list of those URLs that we have, I think 24, to the 5 bots, and it's going to speed processing time 5 times, which is super useful, especially when you go on scale. So let's create and run this bot. So creating and run. Here we have the instance. So it's going to take 10-50 seconds maybe to spawn these 5 browsers. But once it's actually spawned, it's going to just run pretty fast. In case you didn't explore Automatio, feel free to check our website. It's a powerful no-code web automation and data extraction tool out there, so anyone can build the bots or scrapers without writing a single line of code. So let me come back to this instance, and as you can see, we can see that Automatio is running as a crazy right now. Here we can see the extracted data or total data. We can see over here total rows of data, and yeah, that's basically it. It's going there, it's running 5 threads at a time, so 5 bots are going on 5 different websites at a time and collecting this web page information and converting these whole pages into the markdown content. So I'll let finish this in just a couple of seconds. Here the log side, we can see what is going on. If I go to the screenshots, I can actually watch how Automatio was navigating those pages and extracting the data from those pages. And since the job is done, here I have a data. So if I download this CSV file, just a second, I just downloaded. I'm on another screen, by the way, and here we can see this data. So let me go and search for this one. So as you can see, we have a title, we have the URL of this, and then we have a markdown content. I'll just copy paste this and put it in the preview of this, so we can see some of this, how it's structured. So it's a super, as you can see, we have the images as well, the links, the headings, all the styling that was on the page, original page. Super useful for feeding LLMs, creating knowledge-based automation, using for SEO, for any kind of data analysis, because it reduced the token cost for your LLMs. And I think it's also giving you a better output, since you have this better kind of structured data in there with the markdown content. So let me know what you think, and if you think that's something useful that you want to use on your site, feel free to ask any question. I'll be there. Peace out, guys.